YouTube? DOAK8 Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. And today on the channel I'll be doing a quick review of two phone cases that I got for my iPhone XR or my iPhone XR, whatever one you want to call it. Alright, now these phone cases I got from my local Five Below, and I got them for $5 a piece. So not really bad. I needed two cases until the rest of the ones that I ordered come in the mail. I needed to get two cases real quick for the low, you know, because these are for my kids and I don't want to break them. Alright, so these cases is a 2-in-1 loop case. You see it loops around your finger right there, and it has a kickstand. You know what I mean? Fits for the XR. Shows you right there. Features sleek fit, allows easy access to all buttons and ports with loop and kickstand. Like I said, both of these I got from Five Below, so that's where you can get these at. So let's check that out. Open that one up. And let's open up this one. And this is what we have. Alright, so we got a blue color, then we got the black. It's a TPU finished 2-part case. It comes apart. You got the cutout for your mute button, up and down volume, cutout for your power button, cutout for your camera. You got a little lanyard spot right there, 2 cutouts for your speakers, as well as a cutout for your lightning port. You see this comes out right here, which opens that up, which makes you'll be able to hold the case like that. You know what I mean? So not bad. Nice little design. Well, let's pop these in there real quick, see what they look like. Alright, so this is what it looks like, front and back. Start with the front. Really not any lip. It's kind of flush with the phone. You know what I mean? So I don't know if it's a valve, a front face drop. It might not. Depends on what you drop it on and how you drop it and what height really. You see the camera right here. You got a little lip right there for the camera, so it's possible, you know what I mean, that your camera won't break if you get a back drop with this. But everything looks like it is where it's supposed to be. All the holes, ports, and everything look right. You know what I mean? No problem. Squishy buttons. You know what I mean? So no problem with these cases. So like I said, this is just a cheap alternative. If you want to grab a cheap case real quick, you know what I mean, hit up Five Below, get a case for $5. You can't really beat that. But it's DOAK8 Bonds, Urban Tech Reviews. If you like this video, click that thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, you can do that easily by clicking on the Android guy in the bottom right hand corner of your screen. If you're not following me on all my social media sites, then all you got to do, go into the description, click on every one of them links, and follow me on every one of my social media sites. And we out.